Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we have developed a special recipe called the shrimp salads with melons eyes. And we don't think that restaurant will have this special recipe setting. And this is a special ingredients and provide with clear step-by-step instructions and preparing the delectable dish and suitable for restaurant setting. Now we have Linda to do the presentation for you. Hope you can try and cook and enjoy this special dish.
Hi, my name is Linda. We have developed a detailed cooking recipe for shrimp salad with melon ices, outlining the specific ingredients needed and providing clear, step-by-step instructions for preparing this delectable dish suitable for restaurant settings. Include precise measurements for each ingredient, cooking techniques, and plating suggestions to ensure a professional and mouth-watering presentation. Aim to create a unique and flavorful recipe that will impress both chefs and diners alike. Let's prepare the ingredient list. 1. For the shrimp salad, 1 pound fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 ripe avocado, diced 1 cup, diced cucumber ½ a cup, diced red onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, juice of limes, salt, pepper to taste, mixed greens for serving. For the melon ices, 1/2 cantaloupe, peeled and diced, 1/2 honeydew melon, peeled and diced, 1/4 cup sugar, juice of 1 lemon. Now let's start cooking. Let's prepare, step-by-step cooking. 1. Start by preparing the melon ices. In a blender, combine the diced cantaloupe, honeydew melon, sugar, and lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into ice cube trays and freeze until solid. 2. Next, cook the shrimp. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add the shrimp. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. They turn pink and opaque. Drain and rinse under cold water. Chop the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. 3. In a large bowl, combine the chopped shrimp, diced avocado, cucumber, red onion, and cilantro. Squeeze the lime juice over the mixture and season with salt and pepper. Toss everything together until well combined. 4. To serve, arrange a bed of mixed greens on a plate. Place a scoop of the shrimp salad on top of the greens. Add a few melon ice cubes around the plate for a refreshing and unique twist. 5. Remove the melon ices from the freezer and place a few cubes on top of each serving of shrimp salad. 6. Garnish the dish with additional cilantro leaves and a wedge of lime for squeezing over the salad just before eating. 7. Serve the shrimp salad with melon ices immediately to enjoy the refreshing and flavorful combination of ingredients. This dish is perfect for a summer menu in a restaurant setting, as it is light, refreshing, and bursting with fresh flavors. Your diners are sure to be impressed by the unique twist of melon ices paired with succulent shrimp and crisp cucumber salad. Enjoy! Now see the cooking in action. Add sugar in boiling water. Add cinnamon and lime juice. Let that cool. Start the salad. Prepare cucumber poblano pepper. Prepare lettuce, tomato. Prepare avocado pita chips. Prepare cilantro avocado. Dressing, lime juice. Add sriracha to the shrimp. Add olive oil, kosher salt. Stir the shrimp in a bowl. Get ready to cook. Cool off with the melon ices. Preparing the melon ices, put everything in blender, blend until smooth. Now ready to serve. When we develop a detailed and flavorful cooking recipe for shrimp salad with melon ices, it'll suitable for restaurant to build their customer database to increase sales in the restaurant. Provide a list of specific and fresh ingredients required, along with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the dish. Ensure that the recipe includes tips and techniques to enhance the flavors, presentation, and overall dining experience. Consider the balance of flavors, textures, and ingredients to create a mouth-watering and memorable dish that will delight restaurant customers. Design a signboard that features a tantalizing image of the shrimp salad with melon ices, along with bold and colorful text that highlights the dish's unique flavors and presentation. Create an advertisement banner that showcases the shrimp salad with melon ices in a visually appealing way. Use high-quality images of the dish, along with enticing descriptions and promotional offers, to encourage customers to order it. Include the restaurant's logo and contact information to reinforce brand recognition, and make it easy for customers to place an order. Online business ideas, by leveraging a delicious recipe like shrimp salad with melon ices. Aspiring entrepreneurs can tap into the online culinary market with innovative business ideas and a passion for food. Aim to inspire readers to create a wholesome dish that promotes overall well-being and healthy eating habits. Additionally, outline how one can leverage the recipe to start an online business, such as by offering recipe kits or hosting virtual cooking benefits. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones, and do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.